Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Myra and today I'm going to be showing you a few aesthetic outfits. This is the first one. I'm going to show you better. These are cute outfits that you could wear. The second one, there are three. This is the second one. This is for girls, as you can see. The third one we're gonna make. They're really cool colors. I'm gonna use this one. No, let's use like oh guys, I want to show you this. There's a panda one. This one. I'm gonna show you guys properly. This is it. This is a winter outfit that you can wear. It's not that aesthetic, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. There will be more videos in the future. Bye!